So we're going to create a total from our orders. So we can see probably more under the purchases, we can say that there is an order, we can see order 3 and it's in again, but purchase is 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4, which means these two should be kind of summed up as a grand total. And so wherever you see two of them come together, we want to see the grand total. So we want to see the order plus like maybe some customer information. And we can't really get book information because we're going to put two records together. That's not going to work. The quantity is going to really throw it out. So realistically, we just want to know the order ID, the subtotal, and then the customer would probably be the next logical thing to add into that, because we'd probably use a lot of this for our mail merge context. So let's go query. Let's get the order and then the customer. So order ID. And we can say customer first name, last name, address. And I'll put suburb in there and just shift it. And yeah, that'll be fine. Then we want the purchases subtotal, I would say. Purchases, oh, my bad, right, purchases, right, and let's add the subtotal, and we'll run that. That seems to run fine. Then we're going to group this so we don't see these duplicates here. And so if I go totals and then go sum and run again, we're only seeing single entries here now, and these have been summed up. So this Janice one here, rather than what it was previously with the two separate ones, it now has that combined total, which I will rename in design view. Oh no, that'll be fine, I'll leave it like that. Yep. Okay, so let's close that. We'll make it a make table, actually. Make it a table name of order totals. Then we'll run that. It's just about to make a new table, cool. So I've got order totals there, so I'll just close that and I will save it. And so make order totals. And so from the order totals now, what we want to be able to do is each time we run it, we want to update it. This query here is pretty much exactly what we want to update it as. So if I close this and I make a copy of it, copy, paste, yeah, and then I'm going to say this as when I rename it as append. Right, and in my order totals, I'm just going to say that this order number here needs to be unique, so we're not having it rewriting new ones in. It'll only add on the new ones on the end. So let's open this in the design view, click append, and we want to order append those, and we'll call it that. So in my order totals, I'm going to call this grand total. Yes, I say change this, right. And then in this one here, in the design view, just update this grand total. Right, and that should work fine. So if I save that and close it, the only way to kind of check if it's working is I need to make one more order and then see if it just adds that onto the end. Order, new order by that one there, order date of today, add books to order, let me know. Book search, gentleman. Right, so I'll search order 2, back to order. Okay, just refresh that. Then in theory, I should be looking at my order totals as is, and then I'll say append. Oh, I can't because I've probably got it open. So let's just append it now. Yes, yes. Append all records due to now conversion times 10 records. Yes. So I'm imagining it complained about 9, but not the 10th one. So it's saying I couldn't do the 10th one, and there you go, that one comes in. So that runs nicely. That's how we do that. The only thing I'd probably want to double check is if I made a new order with 2 purchases. That would be the only thing. So order, new order, Todd, and the order today, add books, Todd, all the broken pieces, and then go add book, Todd, and off here, back to order. So there's a 2 in there. Let's close that, close, right, and then let's run that. Yes, 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 and then let's go look at order totals. Todd grouped together 47. So if I now look at the purchases, I know those 2 are Todd. So 24 plus 23, looking at 47, which is exactly there. So that's all working. So let's give you an idea of how to run the order totals. And the next thing we're going to do is create the actual orders that were done to say whether they've been shipped, and then start deducting stock, which will be the kind of more complex query that we'll do in this database.